Cruising without compromise is the name of the game, because this is the all-new R-27 from Ranger Tugs. Straight from the factory, this new R-27 is outfitted to cruise, fish, and play in comfort and style. Powered by the efficient and popular Yamaha F300 outboard motor, this new R-27 doesn't waste any time delivering you and your family to your next adventure. It's the peace of mind you can enjoy knowing that included with this R-27 comes the Garmin 8612 XSV chart plotter. It will guide you safely on your passage to any adventure. The new R-27, which has been designed and built to offer maximum usability and value, includes nothing less than exceptional fun. For more information, please contact Dan the Boatman at 941-705-9565 or by emailing dan@bradentontugs.com.